Well, g'day, Flatties and reality defenders. This is the legendary Critical Think from Down Under. Hey, thank you. So today is the 3 or maybe 6 Bitcoin challenge. It's day 9. And we have another clip for you.
I have a challenge for them.
Go for it.
I'm offering 3 Bitcoins for 1 globe proof. I normally make you watch the videos on my app, but feel free to send me your globe proof after this. info@theflatearthpodcast.com. Be concise. Tell me what your globe proof is, and you win 3 Bitcoins. Make sure you include your Bitcoin address.
Okay, make sure you give your Bitcoin address. Did he say he's just waived the requirement for the watching the videos? I'm not sure. But we're going to carry on and make sure we cross the T's and dot the I's. So here we go. So today, the featured video is one, the sun shrinks to a dot. That's this one. It's another DITRH video. And this is a video to further deceive the followers who are not scientifically literate and are mathematically challenged because they don't understand about the sun. The sunset is impossible on a flat earth, geometrically and mathematically impossible, but they just say it goes far away. But anyway, housekeeping, like and subscribe. My GoFundMe is in the description. Spent a lot of money to go to Antarctica, and it would be great if some more people could support me. I've got a lot of support already. Thanks very much. And the link to the final experiments is in the description. So we've got to make sure that the sound is turned off here. Right. The sun's shrinking to a dot. Well, no, the sun doesn't shrink. That's just glare there. And, of course, when you go near the horizon, the glare disappears. No, it's not just going away. That's not what's happening. It's setting. The sun is setting. No, it is going down. It's not going away. Going away won't give you what you see there. That cannot happen just by going away. So yes, of course, it disappears and appears to get smaller. Look at the evidence and ignore the trolls. I think that's good advice. And no, the earth is not flat. My advice is look at the evidence. Yeah, we got that there. Look at the evidence. Flatties, ignore these kind of trolley videos and look at the evidence. So here's the problem with this. There's 2 problems with this video, right? You know about the glare, but we'll get to that. But the other problem is the sun can never set on a flat earth. Now they say that the sun goes away. So this diagram is not to scale, which should suit the flatties down to the ground because they don't do scale either. So here we have the flat height of the flat earth sun. Now a lot of flatties will say they don't know what the height of the sun is, but then there are others, like it was in a video earlier in this series. They said it was something like 3,017 miles or something. Well, if you take a reading at 45 degrees, then you'll get around about this 5,000 kilometres if you take it at 45 degrees latitude. And on the equinox, for example, you'll get a value for the height of the sun. That's just geometry on the flat earth. So here's, if the flatties then want to say that the sun goes away, then there's a very simple, very, very simple triangle calculation. Remember, the earth is measured flat. Remember flatties? So if the earth is indeed flat, this is a very simple calculation. So all you've got to do, flatties, is work out this distance here, this distance to the solar point. Now, there is a triangle calculator that can help with that if you feel like you cannot do the maths yourself. So all you got to do, you see, when the sun gets close to the horizon, this angle alpha becomes close to 0. So that's due to perspective, right? So all you got to do is say, all right, let's just say when the sun's about to set, we'll give it a little bit of leeway, 0.5 degrees. So put 0.5 degrees in here in your triangle calculator. 5,000 kilometres is the height of the sun there. And tell me how far away this is, the distance to the subsolar point, and tell me if that's still on your flat Earth. There you go. I've proposed this question to a lot of flatties. Not one of them has actually given me an answer. I don't know. I don't know why. I mean, they don't even have to do the maths themselves. Just go and look up the triangle calculator. But anyway, that's that part. The sun cannot get that close to the horizon on a flat Earth. An interesting, very basic point. And also, so Wolfie 6020 has done a video that tracked the sun the whole day. It doesn't, this, you know, this is a proper solar filtered telescope, and the sun does not change size. When we say doesn't change size, it may change just a tiny little bit due to various factors, but not like half the size or a third of the size, like what they were trying to make out in that glare video. So it might change a tiny little bit, but it's essentially the same size throughout the day. So there's that. And there's also Dave McKeegan's video with a solar filter done at Antarctica. You get not just like 12 hours, so you get a whole 24 hours of the sun not changing size. So this is, you know, no tricks with glare and no camera tricks, because they're not like that deceitful video there with the camera glare. And of course, MC Toon has also shown this. Look at the size of that glare. Look at the size of it.
Look how big that glare is. Look how small that pole is. Look how big that glare is.
There you go. It's very easily demonstrated that that sun, big sun is just glare, and the sun is really small behind the glare. So there's that is easily falsified, yet so many people fall for that video. I don't understand. I mean, it's not real hard. There's plenty of evidence that that's just glare, but the problem is these people that have the app and watch the videos on the app, they never get to see the other side of the argument. They're just constantly in the echo chamber, and it's crazy. But anyway, that's it for today. Thank you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.